guys, here is Michy. For those who are new to this channel, hi. For the oldies, hey, how have you been? Drop a comment below. If you guys are interested to seeing how I get this look, stay tuned. So hi guys, I've already done my brows and we're going to get into this spring look. Blend it all over the eye, blend it all over the eyelid. Is there anybody out there who actually wears minimum makeup during summer? Spring, summertime? I do. I love wearing a full beat winter time. During the winter time. So this summer I'm on the lookout for tinted moisturizer or BB cream. Because the whole time I've always used the MAC Studio Fix powder foundation during the summertime. But this year I'm thinking of trying something new. Okay, I'm using the Morphe 350 palette. And the shade I've taken as a transition shade is So Fetch. I'm applying it on the crease, on my natural crease, and taking it also above my natural crease. I always tell you, blend till you can't blend no more. This is the palette I'm going to use. The Berries by Juvias. You guys have seen enough of this. I don't have to show you. They're all over the internet. But I just got mine the other day, and so I'm going to try it out. So let's see how this will work for us. I'm going to go with this shade in the crease region. We know, if you've been following me for a while or watching my videos, we all know I have a very small lid area. And having this small lid area really makes me feel, I really feel frustrated at the end of a makeup look when I really have very little eyeshadow on my lid. So instead of putting this in the crease, only in the crease area, I'm going to put it in the crease and above my crease area. I'm going to put it in the natural crease, and then I'm going to blend it out above my crease area. Okay, so that it's at least visible, because wow. So, yes. Huh? Like that. You've seen. Let me now blend it above my crease area. My hand needs to be light so that I can. We have a lot of color payoff, huh? Oh, and this video is not sponsored by Juvia'S Palace. I bought this with my own cash. Because with all the controversy going on, part of it. Personally, I bought it because of the pigment payoff and the reviews from YouTube. And secondly, I'm a woman of color. I still believe in supporting people of color. So this is what we are dealing with, huh? I think that. I'm going to take this middle shade here, tap it on. Then we're going to take the darkest shade in the palette, which is that one. Oh God, look at my face. Do you guys see that? I don't know what to do. I really don't know what to do. Is it too much? What do you guys think? One thing, at least now you get the eyeshadow, right? Like, you can see the different shades when I open my eyes. I'm going to do the same on this side and then I'll be right back. So, ladies and gentlemen, here we have the complete look. I hope you like it. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I get my hair looking like this, click on the link above.